Good evening to yet another wonderful, wonderful conversation that we're going to be having on the Goalking Pure Delight Facebook page. Um, we've met with many experts over the past month or so. I think past couple of months we've been doing this Facebook Live series. We have met with experts, we've met with bankers, we've met with marketing professionals, we've met with people who are in the real estate sales and marketing business. Today, we're going to be talking to two people who are like you and I. People who are, of course, we have only Vaibhav with us just now. Hopefully, Akshay will join us in just a bit. But this is very exciting because this is a slice of real life. We have Vaibhav with us today, and Vaibhav will tell you about himself, of course. But the reason that I find it interesting to have Vaibhav with us today is because Vaibhav is one of the people who one of the brave, smart people who bought a home with the Golganga Group at Ganga Altus, I think sometime in March. And we were looking out for these stories. We said we need to talk to these people. There are people out there, Vaibhav. So hi, Vaibhav. Welcome to the Golganga Facebook page.
Hi, Alina.
Great to have you with us. And a lot of people would love to hear from you because बैंकर से सुनना एक बात होती है, रियल एस्टेट मार्केटिंग प्रोफेशनल से सुनना एक बात होती है, but this is you. You're the kind of
Right.
person that we need to listen to. Your experiences are valuable to us because you actually went out there and you bought a home and
Yeah.
uh, and you did what was right for your family. You did right by your family. So your story is valuable. It's important. It's a real world story, and these kind of stories are always very exciting. So before we go into when you bought the home and why you bought the home, um, Vaibhav, tell us a little bit about yourself. What is it that you do? So, guys, most importantly, we've got to catch Vaibhav and ask him questions quickly because he's potentially got a call coming in from work and we don't have too much time with Vaibhav. So, Vaibhav,
Right.
uh, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah. I'm Vaibhav Shinde, and I'm from Pune itself. Well, since although I'm from Pune, but I didn't have my home. So I was on rent from like past 10 years. So I guess, and I'm a IT professional, and I've been working in IT for 6 years now. And I was looking for home, nearby my company, so that there won't be a commute issues. So I guess it was a good opportunity for me from Goel Ganga, and it fulfilled my requirements, I guess. So yeah, I went with it.
So, Vaibhav, you're an absolutely dream conversation to have. And I'll tell you why. कारण आपण जेव्हा प्रोजेक्ट बनवतो, प्रॉडक्ट तयार करतो, तेव्हा विचार नेहमी असा असतो की हे कोण, ही घरं कोण घेणार आहेत? And you
Right.
tick all the boxes. You're from Pune, didn't have a home of your own, been living on rent for 10 years, working in IT 6 years, wanted a home that's close to your office, did not want to commute, wanted to cut the commute time. But you are
Right.
literally the person that we built these homes for. And it's exciting to meet people who actually are going to live in these homes. त्यामुळे when you went out there and decided की आता मला घर घ्यायचंय, first of all, हे का वाटलं, आत्ता का वाटलं? 6 वर्ष you've been working in IT, 10 वर्ष you've been living on rent. आत्ता का वाटायला लागलं की नाही आपलं घर असलं पाहिजे?
Uh, well, uh, well, I'm an IT professional. There are a lot of reasons behind having own house. First of all, it's a great thing to have your own house, I would say. And second of all, there's a tax exemption. That is also a big component that we have to
Yes.
look for. And I guess from Goel Ganga, I think I approached Goel Ganga in month of Feb or March, I guess. And
Mhm.
there's one more project right in front of Goel Ganga's Altus, which is a new project, Arcadia project. I had approached them, and they suggested that we already have one construction going right in front of the Arcadia.
Correct,
So I visited
correct.
there, and it was just a casual visit from my side. But fortunately, everything set in my budget, and I had decided to go with it. And there are a lot of other factors apart from that. Well, The location, if you say it's in a Kharadi, and as far as the location is concerned, I didn't think that I would get the flat in that price, I would say, which is in my budget. So that was the main reason I had to go with it.
Fantastic. So Vaibhav, thank you very much for speaking about this specific project, which is Altus. But even before we go there, I just want you to spend a few times talking to our listeners, and you'll have a lot of people, potentially first home buyers, who are listening to you just now. Ani, what we'd like you to share with really our viewers is ki what happened? What made you think that you need a house of your own in the first place? What was the thinking behind that?
Well, it's everybody's dream to have a house, their own house, and that is true in Pune. If you're living in Pune from past, not from past, I am from Pune itself, and yet, uh, well, at my village town, I do have my home, but I'm gonna settle in Pune, in this area where IT infrastructure is growing. I need to be here itself, so I needed to have my own house. So that was my plan since I started my career itself, and it's been 6 years.
Fantastic.
I couldn't get it, so this was the right opportunity for me, I guess.
Amazing. Weber, what you're saying is making so much sense. When we are sitting with our marketing teams, when we're sitting with our sales teams, we say that having a home is a dream for everybody. But when you're saying it from a sales perspective, it's one thing. But here we have somebody who's actually gone there and bought his own home recently, very recently. And he's saying that this is everybody's dream. And I feel that is such a valuable statement you're making, Weber. Karan, कधी कधी असं there's a little trend that we're noticing that people are saying ठीक है रह लेते हैं रेंट पे रह लेते हैं no big deal
Right,
घर कशाला हवंय we'll buy this new car we'll go on fancy vacations we'll do this we'll do that and
right.
on the other hand we so do you not have you not heard these things maybe among your own circles.
येस येस इवन माझ्या फ्रेंड्सचं पण हेच थॉट्स आहेत बऱ्याच जणांचे बिकॉज दे आर नॉट प्लॅनिंग टू सेटल इन पुणे बट आय एम फ्रॉम पुणे आय ऑब्विसली इवन आफ्टर माय IT प्रोफेशन मला इथेच राहायचंय पुढे जाऊन तर माझं स्वतःचं काहीतरी असलं पाहिजे इथे त्यासाठी हा प्लॅन होता.
ऍब्सोल्युटली आणि मला असं वाटतं की जी लोक पुण्यात सेटल होणार नाहीयेत आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल यू शुड स्पेंड सम टाइम टॉकिंग टू मिस्टर कुमार देवी who's an executive director at the Goel Ganga Group. So he always tells us this ki, when he was a very young man and he had just started his career, he was posted in various places. He went to Ahmedabad, he went to I think Kolkata, and among the first things that he did in new cities is he bought homes there. He always tells us of a home that he bought in Ahmedabad. He lives in Pune, families in Pune,
Okay.
settled in Pune. But when he was a young person, when his salary was not very high, when that EMI was a big amount, at that point in time he had bought an apartment in Ahmedabad, and when he sold that apartment, he realized की त्या काही वर्षांचा तो त्यांनी त्रास सहन केला होता EMIचा त्याच्या काही एक पटीने त्यांना रिटर्न्स मिळाले सो दॅट बिकेम अ व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी की इवन वेन you're not planning to settle down in some place, investing in the right house at the right time
Right.
certainly one of the best things you can do for your family. So how does your family feel about this whole decision that you've taken, Vaibhav?
Well, everybody is very happy now because I've been looking for it and
Okay.
मला या पर्टिक्युलर एरियामध्येच माझे काही रेस्ट्रिक्शन्स होते एरिया वाईज त्यामध्येच हवं होतं मला बट ते नव्हतं भेटत रादर इट वॉज नॉट फिटिंग इन माय बजेट बट समहाऊ मला भेटलं ते आणि आय एम हॅपी फॉर इट.
Fantastic. And what kind of what kind of plans do you have for the family when you shift in over here? Do you think that today your family is going to require very high amenities? Or what do you think your family really needs today?
वेल अमेनिटीज जशा युज्युअल अमेनिटीज असतात मी त्याच पाहत होतो मी काय असं विशेष वगैरे काही पाहत नव्हतो पण आय गेस लुकिंग ॲट दी बिल्डिंग प्लॅन अँड कन्स्ट्रक्शन प्लॅन मला वाटतं हे खूप भारी होणार आहे जसं मी ब्लू प्रिंट पाहिलं होतं किंवा जसा प्लॅन पाहिला होता जसं मला एक्सप्लेन केलं होतं एक्झिक्युटिव्हने तर मला ते इवन बेटर वाटलं जसं मी एक्सपेक्ट करत होतो त्यापेक्षा चांगलं वाटलं मला ते तो
Okay. And would you want to share with our listeners today की family मध्ये कोण कोण आहे आणि त्यांचे काय काय requirements आहेत घराकडनं?
हा शुअर. ऍक्च्युली मम्मी पप्पा आणि माझी वाईफ असते. तर
Okay.
2 BHK चा प्लॅन होता माझा. आणि विशेष असं काही हे नव्हतं. म्हणजे एक तर पुण्यामध्ये तुम्ही जास्त मोठेही घर घेऊ शकत नाही, तुम्हाला छोटंही नकोय. तर मग मला एरिया वाईज पण मला ते परफेक्ट वाटलं माझ्यासाठी. आणि या आय गेस तेच होतं.
त्यामुळे मम्मी पापा and wife are all very happy with this decision that you've taken.
अरे
But tell me how have the past 4 or 5 months, you're an IT, त्यामुळे work from home चालू आहे आता का कसं चालू आहे?
येस, वर्क फ्रॉम होम.
Work
टोटली फ्रॉम
work from
मार्च
home.
मंथ. येस
It's been work from home.
येस.
आणि what is the mood? Have you been talking to friends? Have you been talking to family? Generally लोकांचा आता mood तुम्हाला कसा वाटतोय? How have the past few months been for you?
वर्क वाईज लिटिल हार्ड होते, बट we kept on having discussions with friends, gathering over the video calls. We have a WhatsApp group, so it was not that hard because we were connected. We are connected. Yeah, and I guess that is one thing keeps you positive, cheerful even in these days.
And
So
what
that
about the
is
safety aspect?
required.
What about
As far as
safety?
safety, yeah. Well, Pune is at high risk, I would say, right now. So we have been,
Absolutely.
maintaining distances and taking precautions. So yeah, we are not wandering outside, like
Yeah.
just not that. So that's what we have been doing, keeping
And
ourselves
tell me,
intact in our house.
absolutely keeping ourselves safe in our own houses. What is your general understanding of this whole scenario? Do you think this is going to go away anytime soon? Do you think this is one big lifestyle change that we're going to have to make? हे new normal जे आलेलं आहे त्याच्याबद्दल काय वाटतं तुम्हाला?
Right, this is gonna be a new normal, and it has already started. If you see, uh, Corona, I guess I don't think it will go away just right away. Like vaccine येणार आणि सगळं काही नीट होणार. I don't think so. So somehow going forward, थोडीफार lifestyle अशीच असेल. Like mask, wear a mask, have a
Correct.
sanitizer with you. Yeah.
But Vaibhav, the reason I'm asking you your opinion on this is because there are people like you who are thinking you have gone and bought the house, so you've already made your move. But there are people like you who are thinking की अरे बापरे आता घर घेऊ का नको घेऊ. तर घेऊ का
Correct.
नको घेऊ ही जी दुविधा आहे लोकांच्या मनात ह्याच्याबद्दल तुम्हाला काय वाटतं आणि लोकांनी घर घेतलं पाहिजे का नाही घेतलं पाहिजे तुम्हाला काय वाटतं पर्सनली? तुम्ही गोलगंगाचे
Well,
कस्टमर आहात ह्या दृष्टीने विचारत नाहीये. As an experienced professional and as somebody who's excited about having bought their own house, I want to know की तुम्हाला काय वाटतं?
well, when I approached Goel Ganga around March, and this wave of Corona had already been there,
Correct.
so I had that thought in my mind that there could be a risk involved, but मी नाही विचार केला जास्त, कारण मला ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी जास्त वाटली, आय गेस ग्रेटर वाटली दॅन द करंट सिच्युएशन. अँड या आय गेस तेच रिझन होतं. जॉब सिक्युरिटी वगैरे हे सगळं ते तर ऑब्व्हियसली तो फिअर होताच, बट आय डिडंट थिंक ऑफ दॅट मच. बिकॉज ही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी गेली असती तर मग आय डोंट नो, आय वुड हॅव अगेन had to wait like 1 year, 2 year, I don't know.
So for all the people who are listening to us just now, this is the kind of we look out for inspirational stories on social media and digital media and print, on television. But we miss the inspirational stories that are right in front of us. And Vaibhav is one of those stories. He's a very simple, understated young man. But he's stating some very profound truths. He said, मी नाही फारसा विचार केला. मला ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी माझ्या फिअर पेक्षा मोठी वाटली. मला असं वाटलं की आत्ता मी जर ही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मिस केली तर मला माहित नाही किती वेळ थांबावं लागेल. And for all the people who have followed us on our social media handles and you've seen our Facebook lives, you would have seen that the professionals, the experienced professionals in the industry, have said this repeatedly. They have said this repeatedly, and Vaibhav is corroborating this. Vaibhav probably doesn't know that Mr. Goyal says this, that Kumar sir says this, that the bankers said it, that Aditi from Anarok said it. Weber has probably not seen all these shows, but Weber, for you, I will recap what they always say. So they always say की कुठलीही प्रॉपर्टी अनसोल्ड राहत नाही. घर
राईट
बनवलं की ते विकलं जातं. इश्यू फक्त आहे की ते जर तुम्ही विकत घेतलं नाही तर तुमची तुमची ती ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी तो ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी लॉस होतो. somebody else will buy it. So it's never a builder or a real estate developer who is going to regret that a customer did not purchase an apartment. It's the regret is always at the end of the customer. आणि हा एक खूप मोठा,
एक्झॅक्टली.
and it's a very simple thing, very logical thing. But somehow we confuse issues in our own head. We choose not to think of what is obvious, and we lose opportunities. त्यामुळे तुमच्या ओळखीची अशी लोक असतीलच जे म्हणत असतील की अरे बाळा, आपण तेव्हा जर ते घर घेतलं असतं तर बरं झालं असतं, तेव्हा जर केलं असतं तर बरं झालं असतं. आय टेल यू दिस एक्झाम्पल. म्हणजे in the place that I live, my grandfather lived in the same place, and he would always say, आमच्या बिल्डिंगच्या समोर एक सुंदर दगडी बंगला होता आणि त्यांना त्या काळात त्या बंगल्याकरता काहीतरी आय डोंट नो 2-1 लाख, त्या काळचे 2-1 लाख रुपये खूप जास्त होते ऑफकोर्स, पण तेव्हा त्यांच्याकडे ते नव्हते आणि तो बंगला त्यांना घेता नाही आला. ही रिग्रेटेड इट फॉर एव्हर अँड एव्हर अँड एव्हर, की कुठून तरी आपण काहीतरी करून ते पैसे उभे करायला पाहिजे होते. अँड मे बी आय एम गेटिंग इट रॉंग, मे बी इट वॉज 20,000 रुपये, 2 लाख रुपये नसतील ते, कदाचित 20,000 रुपये असतील. पण तेव्हा ते त्यांच्याकडे नव्हते आणि त्यांनी ते बंगला घेतला नाही आणि मग ते अपार्टमेंट मध्ये राहिले आणि ही रिग्रेटेड इट. So I want people to listen to stories like Vaibhav's, not stories like my grandfather's story, because Vaibhav is not going to regret uh, missing out on an opportunity. And Vaibhav, what is it that you'd like to share with people who are afraid right now? How afraid should we be, according to you, as an absolute uh, regular citizen of India, as a citizen of Pune? Somebody was telling me yesterday की अगं लीना, माहितीये का, कदाचित पुणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट माइट बी द वर्स्ट अफेक्टेड डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. माहित नाहीये मला, पण मला असं वाटतं की पुणे डिस्ट्रिक्ट माइट बी द वर्स्ट अफेक्टेड डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन द वर्ल्ड. आहे तो आजार, एक
ऍक्च्युली
आहे, व्हायरस आहे.
राईट, स्टॅटिस्टिक्स तर सध्या त्याच आहेत. पुणे इज गिव्हिंग कॉम्पिटिशन इव्हन टू द कंट्रीज इटसेल्फ.
या
सो
ऍब्सोल्युटली.
राईट, सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन एव्हरीबडीज पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह. त्यांचं जॉब पोझिशन काय आहे और सेफ्टी काय आहे. सो डिपेंड्स ऑन दॅट. आय वुड से सगळे नाही घेत रिस्क. काहींचे प्लान्स असतात किंवा म्हणजे हार्ड अँड फास्ट नसतं की घ्यायचंच आहे. काही इन्व्हेस्टमेंटसाठी फक्त बघतात. मला घर घ्यायचं होतं स्वतःसाठी. इन्व्हेस्टमेंट ऑब्व्हियसली होतंच, पण ते एक बेनिफिट म्हणून पाहत होतो मी. तर घर घ्यायचं होतं मला, त्यासाठी मी इन्व्हेस्ट केलं.
फॅन्टॅस्टिक Vaibhav. I think again and again you're saying very simple and very important things. म्हणजे जे खूप मोठ्या टेक्निकल थिअरिटिकल भाषेत जे कॉन्सेप्ट समजवता येत नाहीत, ते अशा साध्या भाषेत कधी कधी पटकीने समजून जातात. की मला माहित नाही हे सगळं, मला घर घ्यायचं होतं, मी घर घेतलं. आणि ही जी एक भावना आहे की मला घर घ्यायचं होतं, मला असं वाटतंय की ही भावना महत्वाची असते. घर घेतलं, मग काय आता, काय, हाऊ विल युअर लाईफ बी डिफरंट, वैभव?
आता EMI पे करायची.
या
आता सिरियसनेस येणार आणि थोड्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज वाढणार ऑब्व्हियसली.
फॅन्टॅस्टिक. म्हणजे मला असं, आपण आज सकाळी बोललो तेव्हा यू सेड की तुम्ही आमचे फेसबुक लाईव्ह पाहिलेले नाहीत, पण मला असं शंका यायला लागले की तुम्ही कदाचित आदितीचं फेसबुक लाईव्ह पाहिलेलं आहे. कारण आदिती हेच म्हणून गेली होती की गेट इन टू अ रिलेशनशिप विथ रिअल इस्टेट. कुमार सर नेहमी म्हणतात, अतुल सर नेहमी म्हणतात की रिअल इस्टेट इज लाईक अ मॅरेज. तुम्ही एकदा घर विकत घेतलं की असं आज घर विकत घेतलं आणि उद्या असं वाटलं की नाही इसमें मजा नाही आ रहा, असं नाही होत. त्या आयुष्यभराकरता एक कमिटमेंट असते आणि तो यू आर ऍब्सोल्युटली राईट, तो सिरियसनेस येतो, ती रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी येते आणि EMI भरायचा असतो. पण EMI भरताना सुद्धा वन थिंग आयड लाईक टू शेअर विथ यू, वैभव, की कुमार सरांचं परत एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला देते मी, की त्यांनी जेव्हा अहमदाबाद मधलं घर घेतलं होतं तेव्हा त्यांनी सांगितलं, मेमरी सर्व्ह मी करेक्टली, 2,000 रुपयांचा त्यांना EMI होता तेव्हा. आणि तेव्हा 2,000 रुपये जड वाटायचे. आता 2,000 रुपये कुठल्या खिशात असतात, त्यांनी कोणाला देऊन टाकलेलं हे सुद्धा माहित नाही. आणि आय थिंक दॅट्स व्हॉट हॅपन्स विथ ईएमआय. ईएमआयचा तो किस्साच आहे की आपल्याला, आपण जेव्हा घर घेतो तेव्हा असं वाटतं अरे बापरे, हा खूप मोठा खर्च आहे आपल्याला. आणि 4-5 वर्षांनी आपला पगार वाढतो, आपल्या आयुष्यातली आपला स्टेचर वाढत राहतं आणि तो ईएमआय तेवढाच राहतो. आणि एव्हरीथिंग एल्स starts becoming bigger and bigger. That EMI component starts becoming smaller and smaller. घर भी बन जाता है, EMI चला जाता है. So I think that's a great thing that happens. Right? It's a great thing that happens. So how excited are you about the fact की आता घर घेतलं आणि आता काय प्लॅन्स आहेत, घर कसं सजवायचंय, काय करायचंय?
राईट, खूप सारे प्लॅन्स आहेत वाईफ सोबत. काय फर्निचर असेल, काय वगैरे, त्या सगळ्या गोष्टी तर आहेत.
हे चालूच आहे.
त्यानुसार जसं जसं पोझिशन जवळ येईल तसे तसे प्लॅन्स वाढतील, तसे त्याचे चेंजेस पण होतील. आणि तसं मला बजेट पण मला करावं लागेल ऍडजस्टमेंट त्याचं. तर सध्या त्यावर फोकस आहे.
त्याच्यावर फोकस आहे. सो वैभव, टेल अस की आणि हे प्रॅक्टिकल टिप्स आहेत. लोक जेव्हा घर आता घ्यायला जातात तेव्हा तुमचा ईएमआय जेव्हा सुरू होईल, ईएमआय सुरू झालाय आता ऑलरेडी?
होईल, डिस्बर्समेंट चालू होईल आता.
त्यामुळे ईएमआय जेव्हा चालू होईल तेव्हा तुमच्या डेली आयुष्यात असा किती फरक पडेल असं तुम्हाला वाटतंय?
काटकसर ऑब्व्हियसली करावी लागेल समवेअर. जिथे थोडीफार करत होतो, थोडीफार मजा करत होतो, ते थोडीफार कमी करावी लागेल. आय वुड से सेव्हिंग्स वर जास्त लक्ष वगैरे द्यावं लागेल आता.
पण किती कमी करावी लागेल?
डिफरन्स गोइंग फॉरवर्ड एवढा नाही पडणार. जसं जसं ईएमआय कमी कमी होत जाईल तसं काही वाटणार नाही. स्टार्टिंगला ऑब्व्हियसली हे नवीन आहे माझ्यासाठी, एव्हरीथिंग इज न्यू, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट होम. सो थोडंफार स्केरी वाटतं थोडंसं स्टार्टिंगला, बट लेट्स फेस काय होतंय.
आणि ऑनेस्टली असं मला वाटतं की लाईक यू सेड व्हेरी करेक्टली की इट्स अ मॅटर ऑफ अ फ्यू मंथ्स, ऑफ अ फ्यू इयर्स, जेव्हा थोडीशी ऍडजस्टमेंट करावी लागेल कदाचित, पण ह्याच्या पलीकडे काही फारसं होत नाही. आणि स्वतःच्या घराची एक्साइटमेंट वेगळी असते, स्वतःच्या घराची एक्साइटमेंट वेगळी असते. इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये, जनरली तुमच्या इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये असं काही वाटतंय तुम्हाला की वर्क फ्रॉम होम हे खूप दिवस आता चालू राहील?
Well, looking at the current situation and number of cases which are growing, I guess वाढेल, I guess, work from home. We are targeting around, I guess, December, January. So
if you're saying December, January, Vaibhav, we've also heard that a lot of companies have said ki, in the IT sector specifically, they've said ki permanently it's one component, so a certain percentage of our workforce will work from home. तर असे काही तुमच्या कंपनीमध्ये कॉन्व्हर्सेशन मध्ये काही ऐकू आलं कधी असं?
Yeah, actually, it's a culture, it's a new culture that has been brought up in the IT, that everybody started to working remotely, and they're finding a mechanisms to get comfortable with it. So that could be a new thing, new normal, I guess, going forward. So if everybody adopts it, then I guess nobody will have a problem, to going a company to go to the office and not to work from home, I guess. So it's rather better to work from home in this situation, I would say. But if the situation was normal, I would have preferred to go to the office. You'll meet your friends. Yeah. So a lot of things that happens in company won't happen at home, I would say.
That's true. Of course, I mean, we are sitting in the middle of the pandemic right now. त्यामुळे ह्याच्या पलीकडे जाऊन काय होईल खरंच कोणाला कसं तसं डेफिनेटिव्हली सांगता येत नाहीये. But a lot of us feel that some component of work from home is going to remain, and therefore all industry experts are saying that the role of the home is going to become more and more and more important, more and more sort of seminal, more important in the lives of people. आणि आता वर्क फ्रॉम म्हटलं की काय काय ऍडजस्टमेंट्स कराव्या लागतात तुम्हाला? व्हॉट काइंड ऑफ इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डू यू रिक्वायर इन द हाऊस?
Well, what you want is your workstation, first of all. And apart from that, a few resources like internet you should have. इट शुड बी कॉन्स्टंट, बिकॉज घरामध्ये थोडंसं वायफायचा प्रॉब्लेम होतो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचा प्रॉब्लेम असतो, जो ऑफिसमध्ये नसतो. तर
करेक्ट.
ते प्रॉब्लेम्स असतात की जे वी हॅव टू टेक केअर ऑफ. अँड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट आय गेस थोडंसं घरचं वातावरण असतं ते, दॅट्स अ गुड थिंग, दॅट्स अ पॉझिटिव्ह थिंग. अदर दॅन दॅट ही ऍडजस्टमेंट असते. यू हॅव टू बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ युअर कम्प्युटर. I don't know when you will get a call from your
Correct.
from your superior, from your peer. So
Correct.
you have to
Correct.
be there. So
Correct.
that's one thing you have to be attentive of. Other than that, I think it's a cool thing.
And in this atta, of course, for you, it's just your parents and your wife. But there are people who have kids at home. There are people, husband, wife working, kids going to school. So isn't that like, isn't the role, doesn't the home suddenly have to multitask and become this, uh,
Yeah,
home, office, school, everything at one time?
yeah. Some part of your home will become office itself. Yeah,
Yeah,
although
absolutely.
you'll get disturbed from your members if you have
Yeah,
kids, then from
yeah.
them. But yeah,
But I guess what we're saying is that if we plan our lives correctly and if we figure out what kind of homes we want to create and so from the real estate developers point of view also, I can tell you, Vaibhav, ki a lot of research is going into this now. Ki how do you make homes that are going to allow people to be their corporate selves as well as their private selves in the same place. म्हणजे आपल्याला आधी वाटायचं की जाऊ दे, घर छोटं असलं तरी चालेल, म्हणजे घर कसंही कुठेही असलं तरी चालेल. पण आय थिंक ती वेळ आता गेलेली आहे आणि आता आपल्याला जेन्युइनली विचार करावा लागणार आहे की आपलं घर फ्रॉम ऑल दीज अँगल्स आपल्याकरता काम करतंय की नाही. इज इट गिव्हिंग मी द राईट काइंड ऑफ इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर, इज इट रिमुव्हिंग मेंटेनन्सचे हेडेक्स, कारण वेळच नसणार आहे आपल्याला. हॅव यू नोटीस दिस,
exactly.
घरनं काम करताना जास्त काम होतं की कमी काम होतं?
जास्त ऑब्विसली जास्तच होतं.
ऍब्सोल्युटली, ऍब्सोल्युटली,
एक्सपेक्टेशन्स असतात ऑब्विसली.
ऍब्सोल्युटली.
राईट.
But in fact, all of us also have been saying this ki ever since we started working from home, we have never stopped working. म्हणजे कालच कोणाशी तरी बोलत होते मी, त्यांनी मला विचारलं की काय, हाउ इज इट गोइंग, कैसे रहे पिछले 5-6 महीने. मैंने कहा भाई संडे भी ऑफ नहीं मिलता आजकल, कि we
राईट.
are constantly working, right? Everybody is working all the time. So I guess, yeah, what we're saying is that the role of this home is going to become more and more important, and we are going to have to find homes, create homes, build homes that are going to empower people like Vaibhav to work happily, socialize happily, have some private spaces, have some space where the entire family can hang out, have some places where when he gets a call from his boss, which I think he's going to get anytime now, because he said at the very beginning, he said, Lina, I might have to disappear because I'm going to get a call. So when Vaibhav gets that call, he should have the time and the space to attend to those calls in his in an environment that is amenable to his profession. So Vaibhav, just before I let you go, first of all, I think I must thank you. You've given me that half an hour. You said 20 minutes. You gave me your half an hour. So that's fantastic. Just before you go, Vaibhav, I want to ask you just two questions. The first question is, when you are looking for a house, I'm not going to ask you ki budget ka hota. Let's not talk about your budget. But when you're looking for a house and you said it's your dream to own a house in Pune, what were you looking for?
Well, I was looking for the location, I would say. The location was my first priority. ज्यामुळे मी खूप साऱ्या ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज ज्या मला कमी रेटमध्ये भेटत होत्या, पण ते थोड्याशा आउटसाइडला होत्या. कम्युटिंगला प्रॉब्लेम झाला असता. आय गेस लोकेशन माझा फर्स्ट कन्स्ट्रेंट होता. सेकंड, प्राइसचा थोडा इश्यू यायचा. मग लोकेशन कन्स्ट्रेंट असले, इफ यू आर गोइंग अ बेटर लोकेशन, इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग इट इन अ बेटर लोकेशन, देन अगेन प्राइस रेंजचा प्रॉब्लेम यायचा. तर असं काही थोडंसं कॉन्फ्लिक्ट यायचे. त्यामुळे मला टाइम नाही भेटत गेला, और रादर ते डिले होत गेलं. समहाऊ ते बसलं माझ्या बजेटमध्ये.
त्यामुळे ह्या दोन गोष्टी, आय थिंक वैभव, what Vaibhav is saying is again very important, especially now. Karan, yes, we're not oblivious to the fact that that times are challenging. म्हणजे असं मी असं कोणीच म्हणत नाही की टाइम्स चॅलेंजिंग नाहीयेत. त्यामुळे तुम्हाला जी लोकेशन आवडते त्यात तुम्ही कुठल्याही बजेटमध्ये घर घ्या, असं कोणाचंच म्हणणं नाहीये. पण वैभवनी जे गणित जुळवून आणलं, की करेक्ट लोकेशन मध्ये करेक्ट प्राइस मध्ये घर, हे जेव्हा गणित जुळतं, जेव्हा जेव्हा हे सगळे कन्सिडरेशन जे असतात ते एकत्र आपल्याला ऑल द बॉक्सेस गेट टिक्ड. I think that's the kind of home that you should be looking out for. And I do hope that all of you who are listening to Vaibhav go out there and look for a home that fits these criteria. Vaibhav, the last question I want to ask you before I let you go is,
Sure.
what is your advice, Vaibhav? There are so many people like you over there who are confused, who don't know what to do, who are wondering की आता काय करायचं, एवढा मोठा कोविड आलेला आहे. खरं म्हणजे आहे, कोविड ही समस्या आहे, पण 100 वर्षांपूर्वी स्पॅनिश फ्लू झाला. 100 वर्षात कोणी घरं घेतली नाहीत का? घेतली, झालं. इट हॅपन्ड, राईट?
Right.
So Vaibhav, what is your advice to people who are looking for opportunities today?
All right. I guess if this is your first priority to have a home, if you're looking for it, if you want to get settled, then I would say you have to go for it. And current situation, any situation will get resolved at some point of time. So don't worry about it, I guess, because vaccines वगैरे ऑलरेडी यायला लागलेत. आय होप लवकर होतील, लवकर सगळं क्लिअर होईल, सगळे बाहेर पडतील. आणि ऑब्व्हियसली थोडंसं लेस गट्सी वाटतं टू टू गो इन टू सच चॅलेंज, बट घ्यायचंच असेल तर घेऊन टाका, आय गेस.
Oh, fantastic.
ऍडव्हान्टेज.
Vaibhav, Vaibhav, I love you. I love the way you've given this piece of advice. घ्यायचंच असेल तर घेऊन टाका. I think nothing can be as simple, as uncomplicated as this conversation with Vaibhav. Vaibhav, I've thoroughly enjoyed this. म्हणजे
Thank you.
I love the honesty with which you've spoken. I love how you have shared with us such simple but such important things when it comes to purchasing your own home. And for all the people who have listened in, we see all these "be like Bob" memes on social media. I don't think we should make a meme on Vaibhav, but we can definitely make a few posts on him saying "be like Vaibhav." So इस situation में वैभव ने क्या कर लिया होता? Think like that, because Vaibhav, you have done what needs to be done for your sake, for the sake of your family. I hope you have many wonderful, happy years ahead of you at Ganga Altus, and I hope that soon you will reach that point where you realize की अरे तो EMI गेला की नाही हा महिन्याचा हे सुद्धा कळलं नाही, पण घर आणि घरात आनंदी राहायला मिळालं. So thank you for
Right.
joining us. Thank you so much for joining us, Vaibhav. Maybe we'll catch up soon again. But until we do,
Sure.
see you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. So guys, that was Vaibhav. I don't think Akshit could join us today because I saw him trying to join the show, and then it looks like he has some bandwidth issues. So maybe we'll reschedule our conversation with Akshit. But do tell us what you think of what Vaibhav was saying. I think we should pay attention to these voices, people who are there, people who make real world choices, people who choose to live the best life that is possible for them, and who look at the pandemic and say कि ठीक हो जाएगा, nothing to worry about, ये सब हो जाएगा, it'll all be managed. Honestly, be like Vaibhav. Until I see you again, bye bye.